Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a table in Google Sheets like Excel. Let's begin. See this data. First of all, select header, align middle, then again select bold text, select table, add border. Okay. Again select change header colors, choose your color, go to format tab, go to click data tab, create filter. Again select data, format alternative colors, choose your alternative colors, click done. And now finally make a table in Google Sheets like Excel. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.